Well, the only thing I can hope is she's recording. Okay. They do. Yeah, they're nice little things to play around with. Dang on. Yeah, just stay upwind.
They bother me. It's a simple plane, very simple build, good aerodynamics.
See, I eventually want to put this camera on that, but I want to get some like bigger wheels and mount it. I don't know if I want to mount it underneath first. Yeah, I don't.
Show the prop disc.
I think, yeah, maybe my prop might be a tad loose. It did that, and I was going to check it for tightness, and I forgot to. Wind's laid down about nothing now.
Hardly any wind. The wind will drop off today and tomorrow. Tomorrow will just move itself. How long can you fly on a battery for one thing?
I should be able to get about 10. Well, I've been trying to only go 7 minutes because I just picked up a little watt meter to tell me how far I've taken it down. I didn't have.
Does it depend on the throttle?
A lot of it depends on throttle.
Like takeoff would take a lot more.
Yeah, you get a pretty good burst on taking off, but now Mike, a lot of times he likes to fly wide open, and we both do. But
chance to get like hit the battery hot or something, flying it wide open.
Yeah, you can get it. That's why we usually use like a 40C.
You got the camera on?
Yeah, hopefully. I hopefully get it on. Look at that. Smooth, slick as snot. I hope I'm hitting that on camera. They'll call me a wild man. See, this is what's fun. And with a trainer that's got some dihedral, it's even more fun. That wasn't pretty, but you know, because you really can catch it. They're just enough dihedral that you can catch them and like walk them back and forth. Jeff and I used to do this all the time. I think, yeah, because, you know, him and I we flew in all kinds of weather. We flew, you know, we didn't let wind intimidate us. That's it. And he and I, we came out. Well, we was flying with Miss Cinema all the time then, but shoot, we flew, and of course we didn't have electric then. We weren't doing electric. By the time you think it's going to stay down, it picks back up again.
5 o'clock and go away.
Yeah.
Wind always lays the sun down.
Now tomorrow is supposed to be 20, 25 mile an hour wind. Now, I only got one battery for this. I've got to pick up a couple more. But